Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the Valorant error code VAN79. Let's begin. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. Restart your PC and try launching Valorant again. If the error persists, the game files might be corrupted. In this case, you should uninstall Valorant completely from your PC and then download and install the latest version from the official website. Firewalls and antivirus software can sometimes block Valorant from connecting to the servers, resulting in error code VAN79. To check if this is the case, temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus, then try launching Valorant. If this solves the issue, you will need to add Valorant as an exception in your security software settings. Network issues can also cause this error code. Try resetting your network by following these steps. First, power cycle your router or modem by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few seconds and then plugging it back in. While you wait for the router or modem to restart, you can reset your network card. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type memo and press Enter. This will open the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type netwinsock reset and press Enter. Next, type netint IP reset and press Enter. After completing these commands, close the command prompt and try launching Valorant again. If the error persists, consider updating your network drivers. You can find the latest drivers for your network card on your network adapter manufacturer's website. Download and install these drivers to ensure your network connection is running smoothly. Another helpful tip is to use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Wired connections offer greater stability and can potentially resolve connection errors caused by Wi-Fi fluctuations. If you have tried all these steps and are still experiencing error code VAN79, it's best to contact Valorant support for further assistance. They have a dedicated team that can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.